Welcome to this series of video tutorials on getting the most out of Metatrader 4, also known as MT4, brought to you by Gallant Capital Markets at www.GCMFX.com. This video tutorial will cover the proper use of the Experts and Journal tabs. The Metatrader 4 platform is able to accommodate expert advisors, also known as EAs, automated pieces of software to trade the account in an automated fashion. The expert advisor that is loaded currently is called the moving average and is supplied free of charge by Metatrader 4. If we click on the Experts tab, we see that we have a time field and the message field. Please note that the time is the local time versus the market watch time, which is always expressed in GMT, and by way of reminder, Gallant Capital Markets is GMT +1. So we have a time and date stamp for each activity, and we have a message. It shows us that earlier this EA was loaded successfully, and we see the settings here. To the left, should there be a warning icon or an error message anywhere in the message field, we need to know how to capture the experts log to send them to the customer support for the commercial expert advisor. To do so, right click, click on open, and notice that each log file is notated by the date. We simply double click, we click on file, click on save as. Note that the experts and logs, this is the default folder where they are stored. To avoid confusion, because the journal logs are notated the same way, we could call this, for example, GCM1 with an underscore. Click save, save it to the default folder, or we could also save it anywhere we choose to then forward by email to the expert advisor customer support. Next in line is the journal folder, and as its name implies, every activity that has taken place on our account for a specific day is shown line by line, once again with a time and date stamp. Every activity that has taken place, whether it be starting Metatrader 4 platform, any orders that are placed are all shown here. To the left, if there are any warning symbols or any error messages that we need to get, in this case to the broker, the same process. We click open, we find the correct log file, we click file, save as. Notice that the default folder is now the broker and the logs folder. We can once again rename the file to avoid confusion. Call this one GCM2 underscore. We can save it to the desktop anywhere we choose and then forward it to the broker. So that is it for the proper use of the Experts and Journal tabs. Thank you for your time and attention, and I look forward to being with you on the next video.